this laptop, it cost me to my channel, and for today's video, it's ASUS VivoBook S533 notebook PC. This is their latest unit for this brand, so we're going to unbox this one. I choose to purchase at the store or at the mall because if I will purchase a laptop online, I don't know how to set up this by myself. I know how to use this, but you know, I'm not a technician, in short. The associate, he set up the laptop for me first. We do the testing before I bought this item. So when you purchase this at the store, the associate, he will be the technician by himself to set up the new laptop for you. So that's why I choose to purchase at this store, as a walk-in customer. As you can see, this is the boxing. For me, it's so very durable when this product will be going to ship. It's very safe for shipping. It has a handle here. This unit was already opened when I purchased this one at the mall because we need to set up everything in this computer for me to make it ready to use, because I'm not a technician, I'm not a computer technician, sure. So here, this is the design inside. It's so cute. Their boxing is so cute. It's like this. This one, naka-cover siya. What's inside is this one. This is the warranty card. And this is a manual. And it has a card here. Let's check what's inside. Oh, it's stickers for you to personalize your unit or your laptop. Why not? This is like fishy surfer, me, why not? Look like this. So, and user guide. Before you use your unit, this is a guideline. All the things you need to know about your personal laptop will be here. And this is a warranty card. Let's check. This is the adapter. When it comes to the weight of this unit, it's 1.5 kilogram. Not that heavy for a laptop. So here, it has this cover, a thin cloth. Hindi ka mahihiyang bit-bitin to everywhere, like at your office, at the mall, or everywhere you go. Because it looks so presentable. So it comes with adapter or the charger. It looks so handy, guys. It's not that heavy. It looks so thin. Design-wise, it looks so classy. This is the highest variant of this brand, ASUS VivoBook notebook personal computer, out of the market for now. Just arrived like a few days ago because I've been to the different stores. I couldn't get a chance to find a good laptop that I'm looking for. I have my choice of laptop, but I couldn't find it at the stores because it's always out of stock. Because of this pandemic, it's so hard to find a laptop nowadays, guys, at the stores or at the malls, because the professionals, people who's working at home, students, teachers, they need laptops for their studies and for their works. When you come into stores, you are so lucky if you find the good one that's suit for you. I got this new laptop, S533 ASUS VivoBook or notebook personal computer For the design, it's exterior wise. The color of this laptop is indie black. They have different colors available, but in the store that I purchased this one, they only have one color available. But this unit is available in Resolute Red, which is the mix of red and pink, Gaia Green, Dreamy Silver, and this one, indie black. For the design, it's exterior wise. And for the size, this is a 15.6. So here it is. This unit comes with a bag. It's adorable. It has the brand name here. And meron siyang dito packet. And let's check inside. It has a 2 zipper. Here how it looks inside, and it has your laptop compartment. So this bag is really designed for the laptop use. It's good for the students or for the office worker. It can be used for any purpose. It's adorable as well, and it's so light. Sobrang gaan niya. Aside for the bag freebie, it also has this one. It's a mouse. So as you can see, it has 500 pesos, but this one is like you ride on for the amount that you paid for the ASUS laptop. So no need for you to pay for the mouse. So this is how it looks. V-Track wireless mouse. And you have a choice as well, yung wired na mouse. But for me, I choose this one. To secure my unit, I purchased this with antivirus. The Kaspersky Internet Security. This is the Kaspersky 2 years license for your computer for the antivirus. So this one, you need to buy this one. It's worth 850. Of course, your unit needs a protection for the virus. I am so satisfied with this one. The design, the size, the color. I like the color as well. This laptop is made of robust aluminum alloy. So it's not plastic. Let's open, guys, to see the panel. What amazed me with this unit is that you can flip it like this. You can adjust like this. So here, it is a cover. So here it is. So it's not that heavy. How much this laptop cost? So 49,995 plus 850 the cost of the antivirus. There are a lot of laptop available in the market that's budget wise. But if you have budget for this type of laptop, you can grab yours now. And yes, you can check the link for you to check the colors as well, or other available with this brand. With this unboxing for our new unit of laptop. For any information regarding with this laptop, you can check it at the description box. Very important for us as a new user for a new unit of laptop to review this user guide and to read this warranty card. And yeah, I found a very, alarming. This product may contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. So wash your hands after handling. Please check as well the review video of this unit, and please don't forget to subscribe like, and click the bell notification para po manonotify ka every now and then na may bago tayong upload dito sa aking channel. And please, leave a comment. So keep safe until the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.